You've probably downloaded 3 note apps and abandoned 2 of them. That's not you failing. It's the apps being built for someone else. Today, I tested 12 free note-taking apps by actually using them for a week each. Not quick reviews, real workflows. And I found something wild. The best app isn't even close to the most popular one. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to pick the right app for how you actually work, not how some YouTuber thinks you should work. Let's break it down. Before we get to winners, here's what I actually evaluated. 1. Speed. Can you capture a thought in under 3 taps? 2. Organization. Once you have 500 notes, can you find anything? 3. Sync. Does it work on your phone, laptop, and tablet without dying? 4. Longevity. Is your data locked in, or can you export it and leave? And 5. Feature creep. Does it do 6 things well or 20 things terribly? I ignored flashy AI buttons and focused on whether the app actually helps you think clearer. Obsidian wins here, but with a caveat. It's free on your devices, your Mac, Windows, Linux, phone, and your notes stay completely yours. You own the files. No syncing to Obsidian's servers by default. The learning curve is real, though. You're basically learning a Markdown-based file system, but once you invest 4 hours, you get something no other app offers. Your notes become a graph. Ideas link to other ideas. And when you search, you don't just find keywords. You find patterns you didn't know existed. Perfect for researchers, writers, and people who obsess over their systems. If you're on iPhone or Mac, Apple Notes is genuinely underrated. It syncs instantly across all your devices. You can open it and capture a thought in literally 1 second. No folders to decide on, no tags to set up. Notes are searchable, support checklists, sketches, and scans. And it's completely free with your Apple account. The downside? Export is painful if you ever want to leave. And there's basically 0 advanced organization. But for people who just want to capture ideas fast, without thinking about structure, Apple Notes is secretly the MVP. Most people skip it because it's simple. Microsoft OneNote is free, and it's actually criminally underrated. You get infinite notebooks. Each notebook has sections. Sections have pages, and pages can have subpages. It's hierarchical heaven for people who think in categories. Syncs beautifully across Windows, Mac, phone, and web. You can embed videos, audio recordings, entire PDFs. Search works across everything. The design feels a bit dated, but functionality? It's unmatched. Big limitation. It's still cloud-dependent, and OneNote's web version sometimes lags behind the desktop app. But for academics and project managers, OneNote is the dark horse. Standard Notes is free with an optional paid tier. What makes it different? It's end-to-end encrypted by default. You create a free account, and everything is encrypted on their servers. Even Standard Notes can't read your notes. The interface is beautifully minimal. No distractions, no collaboration features. It's you, your notes, and encryption. Syncs instantly across all your devices. If privacy is your primary concern and you don't need advanced features, Standard Notes is your answer. Most people don't need this level of privacy, but if you do, this is non-negotiable. If you need to share notes with other people in real time, Google Keep is stupidly good. Type, invite someone, they see it instantly. No account setup required on their end. Perfect for shared checklists, meeting notes, or quick brainstorms. Notion is the heavier hitter here. Notion is free for personal use, and it's basically a database system with a notes interface. You can build databases, templates, relationships between notes, and share almost everything. The catch: Notion is slower to open, and the free tier has sync delays. But if you're organizing a project with other people, Notion scales. Here's where people go wrong. 1. They pick based on looks. An app's design doesn't matter if it doesn't fit your brain. 2. They start with the most powerful app. Obsidian and Notion look cool, but bury beginners. Start simple. Upgrade only when you hit the limits. 3. They try to organize perfectly from day one. Don't. Just capture messy. Organization comes later when you actually know what you need. And 4. They sync to 3 different services. Pick one system and stick with it for at least 2 months before judging. Here's my recommendation. If you want to move fast and think clearly, start with Apple Notes or Google Keep. 0 friction. After 3 months, if you want more power, jump to Obsidian or OneNote. They're free and your notes can migrate. If collaboration matters, jump straight to Notion. If privacy is everything, use standard notes. And here's the honest part. The app doesn't make you a better thinker. You do. The app just removes friction. So pick one, commit for 2 months, and actually use it before you abandon it for the next shiny thing. That's when notes become valuable. So the question is, which one matches how you work right now? Click the link in the description where I've broken down the exact pros and cons of all 12 apps with comparison charts. What questions do you have? Comment below and we will make a video about it.